Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on a Rocket Giotto. Get that out of the way. Nice smooth handle. Love these rockets. Nice crema. Let's check the the steam, excuse me. Nice and smooth, shuts right off. Turns right off. You can hear it asking for water from the reservoir to replenish the boiler. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.